Hello there, there's Avil, and in today's video gonna show you how you can fix ArduinoJson that H file is missing. So first of all, what we need to do is open the URL. We can copy it and paste into our browser, or hold Ctrl and click on it. Then go to releases and download the latest one, that zip version. I already downloaded it. Now open Arduino IDE again, go to Flare tab here, add library, add the zip library, open it. In my case it already exists, but it should fix your problem. So thanks for watching, sorry for my English, leave a like, leave a subscribe, and yeah, see ya.